Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 7th of August 1975 in Toronto, Canada.
Sri Rupam Shastrajatam.
They have been taught by your rascal leaders, Jawaharlal Nehru and company. These rascals taught them.
Jawaharlal, he was representing India from so many years.
Yes,
So
and therefore he has ruined.
He's ruining since our before born, 1930.
Well, that was the beginning, but he completed the finishing touch. Sometimes he came to Vrindavan. I was there, retired, to open a Ramakrishna Mission hospital. And he stayed there the whole day. He came in the morning and went back to New Delhi in the evening, but not a single temple he visited. Where thousands of men are coming to see the temple, but he, the Prime Minister, he did not do it, not a single temple.
He accepts his spiritual master, some sort of his teacher, is Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. So he was teaching him the same thing what he has learned. From here he learned all this knowledge. He spoiled our Indian.
Gandhi had no spiritual knowledge, he was a little moralist, that's all. That was also good. But these men are not even moralists.
How can we fast move in India to spread our Krishna consciousness? How can we spread the Krishna consciousness?
If we go village to village, the village people are still pure, at least not so polluted as the town people, or especially the so-called educated. We held this Harikirtan in Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay. At least 15 to 30,000 people were daily. Even from the office, with coats and pants, they are dancing. And they asked me, Swamiji, continue it.
I traveled all over India so many years, place to place. But I found the Gujarat is the one of the best who has the people has there some natural born Krishna consciousness.
Yes, that's fact. Everywhere, Gujarati, Marwari, Punjabi, more or less, Krishna consciousness should be there.
I ask you one question. What is the future of India regarding the Krishna consciousness? The people are so much monetized. Every time bothers me day and night that what will happen that people don't have a respect for the elders. They just harass. I was with my wife too, and I found they talk about the Krishna and they just laugh it. They say there is nothing like that. They make so much funny in young generation. They say you are a modern boy and you are believing in that. That's I found. I can't understand that how we can think of what will be the India in the future about Krishna consciousness.
If we preach, it will be all right. That is going on perpetually. Darkness and light. If you bring light, darkness will go on. Will be driven out. Krishna Sujya Sama Maya Andhaka Jaha Krishna Taha Naki Maya Radhika. Just like now there is sunshine, although it is not very bright, but still the darkness of night has gone away. So bring in Krishna consciousness, it will go.
This in Haridwar. I have been recently, and I met. My uncle's father was very big Mahant. He was having quite in big numbers, maybe in lakhs, or you can say million, 500,000, 2 million, like disciples. And what he was using in whole life, the disciple money for his own pleasure, for his wife and children. And at the end of age, he took his sannyasa, only just few years after that he died. And I found there in a lot of Mahants, they have temples, they are using there are a lot of jewels, gold and money, and they have a business like that. And the thousands of educated people visit, and they believe that this is all they are doing, show off, and there is no God. This is bewildering everybody's mind. Is there any, we have some system that we can conquer those people, those young generation of their children? They're really looking for the truth. I met one Mahant, his son, he's very educated boy. He met impersonal leader, and he misguided, and they are leading their life just like you can say, I don't want to use bad word, like pigs. They're eating and sleeping and mating same as there are other people doing.
But this is want of knowledge. Jnanam, Vasudevi, Bhagavati, Bhakti Yoga Prayajita, Janayati Asubhaiyagyam, Jnanancha Jat Ahaitakam. If one is engaged in the devotional service of Vasudeva, then he immediately becomes vairagi, no attachment for material things and knowledge. But most of these rascals, they are non-devotees. The so-called Mahanta is not Mahanta, Mahanta, great blind. So that is the difficulty. Krishna consciousness movement is to bring everyone to the stage of devotional service to Vasudeva. Then it will be all right. Other platform will never be successful. Simply show. It is not fact. Also take it very easily that I haven't got to do anything by Guru Maharaj is there. He will do everything. I can do whatever I like. The Christians are doing like that. The Jesus Christ will suffer. We indulge in sinful activities. This is their policy. It is perhaps in our movement only, then each and every individual is being trained. Others do not do that. I have met a guru, then my business is finished. Now I can do whatever I like. Good friends. Friendship with dog, then what will he? He will become dog. He will not hear anything. Sadasar Bhava Bhavit.
Prabhupada, these people, dogs mostly are atheists. Atheists, they take the birds as a dog.
Yes. Unless one is atheist, how he takes to dog? He takes to God, and they take to dog. That's it. Not only animal dog, but they associate with a human dog. Two-legged dogs. They are four-legged and there are two-legged dogs. Human being, but dog. He is also like dog. Although he has got two legs, they have got four legs. In the parks it is by law prohibited to take dog. But his dog, he does violate the dog. Law. Therefore he is no better than dog. The effect of modern civilization, they are keeping people as dog and they want to make them human being by laws. They are thinking, if we impose this law, things will be all right. But how things will be all right? If we keep them dog, how the things will be all right? So we are training from dog to humanity. That is our special activity. We do not keep them as dog. We bring them to become godly. Then things will be all right. Other so-called gurus, they keep the disciple to remain as dog. Please pay him and he Ashirvad, he will be all right. This is it.
Very important one question, which everybody asks. In India as well, everybody, they want to see where is the God. Want to see it, show us how we can see it. We're ready to do everything and we want to see the God. And show us some miracle or something that we can believe it. Everybody is like that. And the people, lot of having a mystic power, they make the fool of the people.
What is that mystic power?
I don't know what they show it, some sort of...
You do not know?
Some G, they make it like that, and this and that, they make the fool with it. How can we convince that something that knowledge is there, but they want immediate to know it, to believe it?
That is their rascal. One wants to be learned without going to the school. Is it possible? So they are rascals. What can be done? They don't want to go to school and take the training, and they want to pass MA examination. This is their proposal. So these rascals should be kicked out, that's all. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasne. First of all you surrender. Then you ask question. These rascals first of all will question. And when he is satisfied, they will surrender. This is not the process. Process is first of all surrender. Then question. Otherwise you have no right to question. Waste time. It's the sinful part of water. This is sinful part. There is sinful water and pious water also. So this water is sinful. Drinking of this water is pride.
In America they use maple syrup a lot.
Huh?
Maple syrup. Is that also part of the sinful reaction for the trees? Yes.
Only fuel, they are called fuel. They are meant for using as fuel.
This is known as the fruit belt in this area. But now they're ripping up all the orchards and putting in factories.
Whatever they do it for factories, so that people may be exploited very easily.
Your company very much in Toronto, and we feel like talk you so much, but we do not have so much time to talk with you. You're so much mercy, so we have not to know so much about Krishna from you.
So in my absence, you read the books. What I talk, I have written in the books.
Personally, we feel more greater.
Okay, that's okay. But still, you can associate with me by reading my books. Therefore, in the beginning of Bhagavatam, it is said, Dharma prodhita kaitavata, or cheating type of instruction is kicked out from Srimad Bhagavatam. Only substance. Vastava vastu vedamatra. One who is really anxious to know the reality, for them it is Bhagavad. And those who want to be misled, not for them. One who is sincere to get the light, for him Bhagavad is the only remedy. The question is why Bhagavad is so important than other books. The reply is there. Mahamuni Kriti, Kimba Parai. But it is of other books. It is written by Mahamuni Vyasa. The Vedanta Acharya. Kurmis, Gyanis, everyone is envious. And they're trying to speculate how to where he gets money, where he gets money.
That man in San Francisco, the photographer, he was always trying to take pictures of your rings. And always trying to take pictures of all the rich things on the altar. He was trying to make a story like that. They try to show that you are enjoying. They're trying to show that you are enjoying.
Even in Chicago, the woman who wrote the article, the 34-ounce, she said how you looked at your gold watch. That was in the article. Such an important thing.
Nityananda Prabhu used to decorate himself with very costly ornaments.